Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing some tidying up in our living room. I also need to take down a few of our Christmas decorations, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. But I haven't touched anything in our living room at all. We've got like things kind of thrown everywhere. I mean, we've got bubble wrap back here. I have no idea where that came from. And there's just like a few things that we need to tidy up. It's post-Christmas. It is the very first day of the year when I'm filming this, so I kind of want to get our living room kind of sorted out and ready to go for 2020. These are a few things that we need to return. We've just kind of been stockpiling them here under the tree. They're either the wrong size or just didn't work out for whatever reason, and we've just kind of been sitting them here until we can get them returned. They were just gifts that we had bought for each other, so we're not too concerned about returning them, but they're just kind of sitting here waiting. Right now I'm going to go ahead and move these two boxes into our dining room just so I have a little bit more space here in our living room to tidy up. They will be headed to the garage later this afternoon, but for the time being I'm just going to go ahead and set them over there. Now I need to tackle the couches and then that mess and this. So that's what we'll be doing next. So over in this corner, we have a box of thank you cards that we have not finished sending out. We still have quite a bit to send, but we have thank you cards that we need to mail. And then we just have a stack of board games. So this is one that we got for Christmas last year. We got this for our wedding, and then Sean got this for Christmas this year. And they don't really have a spot to live in because we don't really have anything to hold them. Our TV stand is pretty packed already. We've got Nintendo Switch games, some Xbox One games, Harry Potter, the Switch, more movies, Xbox, DVR box, family photo, Xbox controllers, our records that we have, the Nintendo Switch, and then my record player. And then we actually have a chessboard and then poker set and then a game down here as well. So that's pretty full already, and we don't really have a lot of space for these guys. And then as you saw, we have the cubes that I put the blanket over. This is just like a nice little way to make it look nicer. These are the cubes that I had when I was in college my sophomore year, I think. I got them my sophomore year, but this is just a nice way to cover them up, make them look a little bit nicer. And then inside the cubes, we just have a bunch of board games as well. So we have quite a few board games that we have, and we're quickly running out of room to store them. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these just yet. The printer is sitting there because we are going to be donating it. We got a new printer for Christmas. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see me kind of tidy up our living room here. The Christmas tree is gone and all of our Christmas decorations are taken down for the year. I'm really excited for 2020. If you guys enjoyed getting to see me kind of tidy up our space, then let me know down in the comments below and I will share some other cleaning videos while I tidy up the other spaces in our home. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.